Team, let's talk about unleashing our greatest asset, ourselves. Dr. W. Edwards Deming, a pioneer in quality management, had a powerful message. The people closest to the work hold the key to improvement. Imagine this. You're on the front lines, facing challenges every day. You see inefficiencies and have ideas to fix them. But what if fear of mistakes or a lack of training holds you back? Deming argued that's a missed opportunity. By empowering our employees, we tap into a wellspring of knowledge and innovation. We can do this through targeted training, giving you the tools to excel. We can create a culture where fear is replaced by open communication and a chance to learn from missteps. Most importantly, let's foster pride in what we do. When we value quality workmanship, we all become invested in continuous improvement. Empowered employees are engaged employees. They're motivated to contribute their best, leading to a surge in overall quality. Let's embrace Deming's philosophy and work together to reach new